I'm starving. I'm starving.
Me too. Let's get something to eat. Me too. Let's get something to eat.
What would you like? What would you like?
I know. Let's go down to the farmer's market. I know. Let's go down to the farmer's market.
What do they sell to eat there? What do they sell to eat there?
Only the best produce in the city. Only the best produce in the city.
What makes it so great? What makes it so great?
Well, it's all organically grown. Well, it's all organically grown.
Can't we just go to the supermarket? Can't we just go to the supermarket?
No way. Those vegetables don't compare at all. No way. Those vegetables don't compare at all.
I don't feel like cooking. Let's get burgers. I don't feel like cooking. Let's get burgers.
Fine, let's get some burgers. Fine, let's get some burgers. Can you make dinner for your sister tonight? Can you make dinner for your sister tonight?
Aw, she only eats macaroni and cheese. Aw, she only eats macaroni and cheese.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
I don't know how to make it. I don't know how to make it.
It's super easy, just follow the box instructions. It's super easy, just follow the box instructions.
We're all out of instant macaroni and cheese. We're all out of instant macaroni and cheese.
Well, make it from scratch then. Well, make it from scratch then.
How do I do that? How do I do that?
Just cook the pasta and mix in the cheese, milk, and butter. Just cook the pasta and mix in the cheese, milk, and butter.
It can't be that easy. It can't be that easy.
Cooking isn't that hard at all. You can do it. Cooking isn't that hard at all. You can do it.
If I accidentally burn the house down, it's not my fault. If I accidentally burn the house down, it's not my fault.
Did you book the hotel for the trip? Did you book the hotel for the trip?
Yes, and it comes with something extra. Yes, and it comes with something extra.
What would that be exactly? What would that be exactly?
Continental breakfast every morning. Continental breakfast every morning.
Wow, do you think they serve pancakes? Wow, do you think they serve pancakes?
Oh, with syrup and fresh fruit. Oh, with syrup and fresh fruit.
You can't forget the whipped cream. You can't forget the whipped cream.
And freshly brewed coffee. And freshly brewed coffee.
I can't wait to see it all. I can't wait to see it all.
I think I'm more excited for breakfast than the trip. I think I'm more excited for breakfast than the trip.
Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
That's very true. That's very true.
What are we having for lunch? What are we having for lunch?
I'm making some sandwiches. I'm making some sandwiches.
Can I make some lemonade to drink? Can I make some lemonade to drink?
Sure, that'd be great. Sure, that'd be great.
We just ate breakfast, but I'm already hungry. We just ate breakfast, but I'm already hungry.
Me too. It's amazing how hungry I get so soon. Me too. It's amazing how hungry I get so soon.
I'm really looking forward to those sandwiches. I'm really looking forward to those sandwiches.
I just realized we're out of bread. I just realized we're out of bread.
I guess lunch will have to be delayed. I guess lunch will have to be delayed.
Can you please go to the store and buy some? Can you please go to the store and buy some?
Sure, don't drink all the lemonade. Sure, don't drink all the lemonade.
I won't. Come back soon. I'm starving. I won't. Come back soon. I'm starving. Have you decided what you're going to order? Have you decided what you're going to order?
I think I want to eat steak today. I think I want to eat steak today.
That sounds delicious. That sounds delicious.
I've been craving one all day. I've been craving one all day.
You're making me crave one now. You're making me crave one now.
Well, we might as well order a steak now. Well, we might as well order a steak now.
Actually, I changed my mind. Actually, I changed my mind.
What are you having? What are you having?
Shrimp pasta, it looks delicious. Shrimp pasta, it looks delicious.
Do you mind if I try some of that? Do you mind if I try some of that?
Only if you give me some steak. Only if you give me some steak.
All right, it's perfect, thanks. All right, it's perfect, thanks. I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty.
You might want to buy something refreshing. You might want to buy something refreshing.
I think I'd like a hibiscus tea. I think I'd like a hibiscus tea.
It's kind of hot, isn't it? It's kind of hot, isn't it?
Yes, it is. What'll you get? Yes, it is. What'll you get?
Same as yours. Same as yours.
Awesome, we match. Awesome, we match.
Yeah, I guess we do. Yeah, I guess we do.
Place the order, I'll spot you the money. Place the order, I'll spot you the money.
In that case, I want the biggest size. In that case, I want the biggest size.
Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Don't bite the hand that feeds you.
I was only kidding. I was only kidding.
Why are you eating another apple? Why are you eating another apple?
You know what they say about apples. You know what they say about apples.
No, I'm afraid I don't know. No, I'm afraid I don't know.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Especially if you throw it at him. Especially if you throw it at him.
You should eat fruit, it's good for you. You should eat fruit, it's good for you.
I do eat fruit, just not as often as you do. I do eat fruit, just not as often as you do.
Eating healthy is wonderful. Eating healthy is wonderful.
I don't doubt it, but I still want pizza for lunch. I don't doubt it, but I still want pizza for lunch.
Only if you eat an apple too. Only if you eat an apple too.
All right, I'll also eat an apple. All right, I'll also eat an apple.
That's the spirit, you're healthier already. That's the spirit, you're healthier already.
What do you think I should get for dessert? What do you think I should get for dessert?
I don't know, look at the menu. I don't know, look at the menu.
Wow, they have ice cream, pies, cakes. Wow, they have ice cream, pies, cakes.
It looks like a great selection. It looks like a great selection.
I don't know what to get. I don't know what to get.
It's kind of hot out. Maybe ice cream would be good. It's kind of hot out. Maybe ice cream would be good.
Ice cream sounds fantastic. Ice cream sounds fantastic.
How about we go to the ice cream parlor down the street? How about we go to the ice cream parlor down the street?
That sounds good to me. Let's go. That sounds good to me. Let's go.
That pecan pie is calling my name, though. That pecan pie is calling my name, though.
Answer to ice cream's call only. Answer to ice cream's call only.
You're right. Let's go. You're right. Let's go.